Alright, today's adventure is rebuilding Jacob's 3406 chuck for my closing drill. I purchased this chuck used. It was not very expensive, but it was well worn out, as you can see right here. Hopefully these are the parts of the chuck of the jaws that hold the drill bits, and they're pretty well worn out. This is how the new ones look. These are almost perfect, as you can see. Alright, so I purchased from Jacob's a kit for rebuilding a 3406 chuck. It's model number U34 or part number 07424. I was surprised to find out it was made in China. Jacobs still charged $90 for it. These are the old parts. This is the split nut, and these are the three jaws that I'm going to throw away. These two parts of the chuck I'm going to reuse, and I'm going to reassemble them with a new split nut and three new jaws. They came packed with grease, and Jacobs recommends that we clean them thoroughly. I'm going to do that with the help of some Scott's blue towel and a little bit of store-bought carb and choke cleaner, and then we're going to hit them with a little bit of Vactra number 2 oil so they run smoothly. I'm going to start by trying to remove as much of the grease as possible via mechanical means, meaning rubbing it with a towel. When I'm done with that, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of carb cleaner and use some more paper towel. The chucks are designed to run dry. They do not need any grease, especially not on the parts of the jaws that grip your bit. But they do need a little bit of lubricant here and here. So on the spiral and on the chuck grooves, on the jaw grooves, they'll help it run smoothly. And that lubrication will come from the Vactra number 2 oil, made by Mobile. One jaw. Now we're working on number 2. Oof. I hate the smell of this thing. But as you can hear in the background, there's a fan going on, providing ventilation. Next time I'll probably do it outside, but it's kind of late, and there was not enough ambient light to do it on the back porch. Almost there. They did a pretty good job packing it with grease so it won't rust coming across the ocean and spending 30-40 days at sea. I should have worn gloves. I don't like getting this carb cleaner on my hands. There's a little bit of lubrication left in. Maybe I won't need to put the Vactra on. nasty smell. Alright. This part is done. Now let's start reassembling. The jaws are going to end up like this inside the chuck body, going all the way down. They will need, however, to be inserted one by one, probably rotated until it fits, and they will be sticking out like that. And then we'll see how it works. So we'll start. Unlike a regular lathe chuck, these don't seem to have any numbers on them. They are all identical. No markings whatsoever, so I guess it doesn't matter which order they go in. Number 1 is in. Number 2 is in. Number 3 is a little stubborn. Maybe it didn't help that I pushed it in completely around. There you go. Number 3 is in. Then you have to fit, upside down, the split nut. And you're done. This is your chuck. And as it spins, it'll drive the jaws up. So let's see how this works. Wait, I did forget something. The jaws cannot be all the way in. They have to be halfway. Because if they're all the way in, they're sticking out past this, and the sleeve will not fit on. So we'll push each one of them up just a little bit. They don't have to be too far, about halfway. We'll reinsert the split nut. There you go, it's spinning nicely. Not nice enough. Let's realign the jaws. Where's the third hand when you need it? Split nut, split nut, there you have it. There, oops, of course. Just as I was telling you that we got it, it falls off.